What happens to a washing machine that freezes that was not winterized? Here's where the water hooks up, and here's the solenoid. If the solenoid valves still have water, they can crack. See this white line right here? That is a crack in the solenoid valve assembly. The water in these solenoid valves can freeze and crack this assembly. With a Phillips screwdriver, I'll remove this solenoid valve assembly. I'll remove this screw. There's another screw on the other side. I don't want to drop that screw, so I'll just pull the entire assembly out. Right under here you can see that screw. To remove these plastic clips, lift here and pull. Now you can pull out the valve. When you turn it upside down, you can see the water that comes out. If you shake it, you even get more water out. I'll show you another place where water can freeze. I'll tip this machine down onto its back. Remove this bottom panel to see the water pump. Remove the two screws. With these screws out, the bottom panel pulls off. Just lift up, right in here. This is the water pump. Remove these two clamps to the water pump. Use a pair of pliers. Remove the second clip. Now we can see our water pump. Remove the second pipe. Tip the machine upright. When I turn these hoses up, you can just see the liquid come out. If there's liquid in this pump, it can break the pump. Some folks will take RV antifreeze and pour it right in here. When I pour it in here, we'll watch it drip out the pump. When I lower this rubber, you'll see the antifreeze come out. Getting antifreeze into the pump is a lot easier than trying to get the water out of the solenoid valve. Because I've had a solenoid valve break before, I'm going to pull it out and shake all the water out, make sure it's all out. I attempted to put antifreeze into the solenoid valves using a funnel and this hose, but I was unable to get it to the other side of the valve. At least not with the confidence that I would know that it wouldn't break when it froze. If I disconnect the water from the valves, the water will flow out, but on the other side, there could be some water trapped in here. Possibly by running the machine, you could open up the valves and allow the water to flow out of this side. The washing machine is going to be in cold storage, so I'm not going to take any chances. Once all the water evaporates out of the solenoid valve and the pump down below, I'll put it all back together. This is how I'm winterizing this front load washing machine.